In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up Mailchimp for your newsletter campaigns, step by step, so you can start building and engaging with your audience the right way. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to get your first campaign out there without a hitch, and I'll also show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. First off, let's dive into setting up your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, it's incredibly easy to get started. All you need to do is sign up with your email, choose a plan. Don't worry, Mailchimp has a free plan that's perfect for beginners, and fill in some basic info like your business name and address. You're ready to go. Next thing, it's time to set up your audience. This is where you'll store all the contacts you plan to send your newsletters to. If you already have a list of contacts, you can easily import them into Mailchimp via CSV, Excel, or even directly from a website like Shopify or WordPress. If you don't have a list yet, you can start building it right here by adding contacts manually or offering a sign-up form on your website. The third thing we need to tackle is creating your first campaign. In Mailchimp, campaigns are the newsletters or email blasts you send to your audience. Click on Create Campaign, select Email, and choose from different types of emails you want to send, like a regular email, automated email, or a plain text email. Choose Regular Campaign if you're sending your first newsletter. Now, let's talk about designing your email. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor makes this super easy. You'll see pre-built templates that you can customize to fit your brand. If you want to go more advanced, you can also add your own HTML code. But honestly, for most of us, the pre-built designs are more than enough. Just drag in the text blocks, images, buttons, and links you need, and customize them to match your brand. You can even add personalized fields like the recipient's name, which can really make a difference in engagement. Next, let's focus on testing your campaign. Before hitting send, you want to make sure everything looks perfect. Mailchimp has a preview option, so you can see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile. You can also send test emails to yourself or colleagues to double-check everything. Trust me, this small step can save you a lot of headaches later. The fifth thing is scheduling your campaign. You can either send your email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. If you're sending a newsletter, it's important to pick a time when your audience is most likely to open it. Mailchimp even has a feature that suggests optimal send times based on your audience's past behavior. And here's the trick I promised, Mailchimp's automation features. Setting up automated emails means you can send messages to your subscribers based on specific actions, like when they sign up for your list or make a purchase. This is key to maintaining ongoing engagement with minimal effort. You can set up welcome emails, birthday emails, or even re-engagement campaigns all automatically. Finally, let's look at tracking your results. After your campaign goes live, you'll want to know how it's performing. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics on open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and more. This allows you to refine your email marketing strategy for future campaigns. Now that you've set up Mailchimp for your newsletter campaigns, you'll be well on your way to connecting with your audience in a meaningful way. Plus, remember, you can get started with Mailchimp completely free using the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses to help you take your campaigns to the next level. By the way, I mentioned that you can get an extended free trial. Just click the link in the description to grab it. Don't miss out on the chance to get more features for free and make your email campaigns even better.